Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Syamsuddin. Today I'm going to explain about the objective of the experiment. The first one is to study the relationship of the junction of the pipe and the height recorded. Second one is to compare the experimental value and the calculated value and analyze the error curve during conducting experiment. The third one is to calculate the Reynolds number. Next is to find the friction factor by using the Reynolds number via the Moody chart. And the final one is to study the effect of the laminar and turbulent flow on the result obtained.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Alamin Mak Razak. Today I want to show you about the coefficient of losses effect in our project. Okay, so first I will show you about the additional theory. Okay, the first one is the goal of this experiment was to determine the losses of coefficient in pipe system component and the roughness of value for straight pipe using experiment data. Okay, the second one is the effect of Reynolds number of friction factors in straight pipe were also investigated. Okay, the third one is to perform the experiment. A pipe system consists of two pipe segments connected perpendicular to one another with a 90 elbow component or T-band fitting was used. Then the last one is water was pumped throughout the pipes and the designated flow rate. The head pressure reading along the pipe were recorded using the height of the water that connect throughout each component. Okay, so this is the introduction for our project. Okay, this is a loss coefficient that we use. You can see the different types. The loss coefficient we have 8 here that mostly used for the connected. Okay, the first one I want to tell you about the HL measure. HL measure is consists of velocity, diameter, and the length of pipe, the roughness, the pipe, and the dynamic viscosity and the fluid density. So it condenses all, combine this all component, then it will become one formula is HL measure is F LV squared D 2G. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, next is HL minor. HL minor is more necessary minor for relation to major losses. It depending on the conversation of the pipe system equation, and they can actually more significant than major loss. So these minor loss are generated in components such as elbow, 180-degree bends, T valve and reducer. So we using the elbow, T's and the valve. So is conclude in our experiment. Okay, so the formula for this KL HL minor is KL V squared 2G. Okay, KL is coefficient. You can look is loss coefficient. Okay, this is the step of solving the major loss. As you can see, if Reynolds number is below than 2,300 is a laminar flow, and if Reynolds number is 4,000 and above is turbulent flow. Okay. Okay, this is a formula where you can determine the roughness. So you can see the formula, and this is the theoretical and measure value for the percent error. So if you do the experiment, maybe sometimes you maybe got some wrong, and you can use the percent error. Okay, alright. Okay, this is determine the KL value. So KL value is you can get the formula, and then the last one is you can get the head loss if you use a multiple Reynolds number. Okay, this is Moody chart. You can get from your maybe a reference book or maybe your textbook. You can get it. Okay, you can so you can calculate where is the bullet and where is the laminar flow in Moody.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akmal Aswabi Kamal Zaman. So I will talk about the procedure. Okay, the first thing we set up the apparatus, and then we put it the inlet here, and the water will flow to the outlet, and then we read the reading here by using the ruler by all the point, and then we will close the inlet and the experiment finished.
Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Iqbal. I will present about the calculation for our experiment. Alright, for the calculation we have two objectives. The first objective is to find the pressure, and the second one is to find the head loss. So this is how we find the pressure. First, we know that the inlet pressure is 2.73 kilopascal, and by using the formula pressure is equal to rho GH, we will get the pressure for each point. For example, at point A, we input the data to the formula, which is the rho for water is 1000, and the G, which is the gravity, is equal to 9.81, and the H, which is the water level, is different for each point. For the point A, it is 0.275 meter, and then we get the pressure equal to 2.697 kilopascal, and the calculation is which is similar to all the point. So we proceed to the finding for the head loss. For the head loss, basically we use the formula, the Bernoulli equation, which is this is the equation, and then as our experiment, we have a constant velocity v1 and is equal to v2, and the g is the height. The height is equal throughout the experiment, so we eliminate the g, the v, and the h. So it is simply can be concluded as the pressure inlet over rho gh is equal to pressure at certain point rho over rho gh plus head loss. So by subtracting the pressure at the point, we will get the head loss. For example, the head loss for point A is equal to pressure inlet 2.73 minus 2.69696, which is the pressure at the point. So we will get the head loss equal to 0.033 kilopascal, and that's equation also apply for the other point, and that's how we get the head loss. Thank you.
Okay, now I will show you about the conclusion in our project. Okay, so for the conclusion, you can see the head loss is the reduction is total head. So it's sum of potential of head, velocity head, and pressure head. Okay, the fluid caused by the friction present in the fluid motion. Okay, then the frictional loss is a part of total head loss that occurs as the fluid flows throughout straight pipe. Minor loss are the head loss are occur due to the bend, elbow, joint, valve, and other component. Okay, so this is concluded in our experiment. We use the multiple head loss and component, right? So then the friction factor fluid can be determined using a Moody chart, as I said earlier, and the roughness of the pipe and the number of the flow can be determined from the Moody chart. Okay, then sometimes we can use Darcy equation can be used to calculate frictional loss. A special form of Darcy equation can be used to calculate minor loss. Okay, then the last one, the length of the pipe that would cause the same head loss as a valve or fitting can be determined by multiplying the value of L over D for the component found in the handbook or nominal by the diameter of the pipe. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the show. I mean the slide. Yeah, if you cannot understand, you can refer in our soft copy. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.